In this video, we will do the exact same thing as what we did in the previous lesson. The only difference is we're going to notice we're going to have a fraction here. But it's still the same general premise. We're going to take our x value and we're going to plug it in for x. So we're going to do 1/5 times 5 plus 2. And when we do that, we get 3. We're going to then plug in 30. So 1/5 of 30 plus 2 equals. So we'll do 1 divided by 5, parentheses 30 plus 2 is 8. And then next we're going to plug in 15. And when we do that, we get 5. Oops, sorry. We plug in 15. We get 5. And then we're going to plug in 25. So 1/5 of 25 plus 2 is going to give us 7. Again, take the time and plug these all into your calculator using parentheses. And the last thing is 1/5 of 50 plus 2. So when we do that, we get 10 plus 2, which is going to give us 12. Now again, we plot these points. So notice on the bottom here, we're counting by 5s. So this first line is 5. We're going to go up to 3, and we're going to put a dot. Over to 30, and go up to 8, and put a dot. Go over to 15, and up to 5, and put a dot. Over to 25, up to 7, and put a dot. Over to 50, and up to 12, and put a dot. And then we're going to connect those lines. And there's our graph for that equation. So at this time, please do the check for understanding. The goal in that check is to make sure you get a 4 out of 5, at least. I'd like you all to get a 5 out of 5, but at the very least, get a 4 out of 5. And then your homework is 5.1J.